Making homemade caramel sauce can sometimes be really daunting, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So start by adding your sugar and water to a pan and give it a light mix, and then you leave it on medium heat without mixing. If you stir it, you'll end up forming crystals and it's not going to be smooth. So at this point you just let it sit, and when it starts to form an amber colour, you take it straight off the heat. And then you throw in the cream and you give it a really vigorous mix. It'll start steaming, but don't worry. So at this point you add the butter to melt and some salt, and you let it bubble on medium to low heat for a few minutes. When that's done, pour it into a heat-proof bowl and let it cool, and you're done. Honestly, caramel sauce hits different when it's homemade, and you can add it to your buttercream, pipe it on cakes, whatever you like.